week in Unit 5, we're going to look at an introduction to the Messianic concept. And our reading for this week is going to come from Groningen's Messianic Revelation to the Old Testament. We're going to be looking at chapters 1 and 2. You go ahead and read that and read the preface and that part. And then also watch the video link to the posted in the Blackboard shell, and then go ahead and post to the discussion board. Now, Messianic Revelation in part 1 and 2, Groningen starts us off with looking at the key terms, Masha and Mashiach, and looking at where those concepts show up in the Old Testament and the importance of those. But he's also going to talk about, thinking in terms of the Messiah, in terms of a narrow concept or a broader concept. For Groningen, he's going to take quite a broad view, and so he's going to see lots of passages as messianic, and we're going to read lots of material in terms of the Messiah. The question that we're going to have to ask ourselves as kind of a balance to what he's doing is, would the Old Testament writers have understood this as messianic? And so part of what Groningen is doing, again, is we're reading the Old Testament in light of what we already know has happened in Jesus' life and ministry. And so, but we're going to kind of balance that with what were their expectations back then. That's the first chapter as he lays out the foundation for the concept, talks about the history of, messianic concepts in other ancient Near Eastern cultures, and then it looks at the source, the prophetic character of Messianic revelation. And I hope this will lay the foundation for going through the books step by step as we go follow the rest of the course.